After reading a book written by James Clear, Atomic Habits, and after watching a lot of videos on YouTube about how to build a new habit in your life, I come to know that habit building is an art which you can master in the span of 21 days. If you follow a habit regularly for the upcoming 21 days, you are going to master it in, and you are going to implement that habit in your life permanently. So let's give it a try, and I'm going to try to build a new habit in the upcoming 21 days, and I'm going to do that work repeatedly for the upcoming 21 days. So let's see what will happen after 21 days. Is going to be the new habit that I have built in my life. Let's see it on Instagram. The habits that I'm going to follow for next 21 days are, first of all, that I'm going to follow, that is learning a hardcore tech skill, that is development or DSA, in the upcoming 21 days. That is, DS is the main focus for the next 21 days. I'm going to update about it on our Instagram. That is link available in the description of this video. The second habit that I'm going to build in upcoming 21 days, that exercising daily, because in the recent time I have started exercising daily in my 75 days of discipline challenge, but it broke out due to health issues and some busy things that happen in my life. I break out the 75 days of discipline. So at this point of time, I give it a later try to next 21 days habit building challenge. So second thing I'm going to master, that is exercising daily, and the third thing that I'm going to master is the discipline that I want to develop in my life, that I'm going to sit on a chair for study purpose. I'm not going to scrolling the mobile when I go to bed, because it is a very bad habit that I have developed recently. After going to the bed, I was just scrolling the reels and wasting the time, that I am not going to do from now for the next 21 days. I'm going to try this challenge from the 21st of February till the 21st of March, but that is 30 days. I'm going to cut it down to the next 21 days. Let's see that habit is going to be the regular part of my life or not. Let's give it a try, and let's see if these videos are correct or not. So till then, from my side, it's Jai Hind Jai Bharat. For latest update, you can follow us on Instagram. The Instagram link is available in the description of this video. Go and check it out now, and subscribe to
Upskiller.
if you want कि college
Upskiller.
आपकी जर्नी का पार्ट बने, from choosing a college to getting a best skill set possible and getting the best dream job that you want to get, and upskilling yourself in every direction, whether it is physical development, whether it is personal development, whether it is tech skill development. Till then, from my side, it's Sayurana.